1 3/4 plus 4/5. So we need to change our fractions so that they have a common denominator. Now 20 is in both the 4 and the 5 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 3/4 and 4/5, which have a denominator of 20. 4 times 5 is 20, 3 times 5 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16. So instead of 1 3/4, we can write 1 15/20, and instead of adding 4/5, we can add 16/20. So now the only whole number we're adding is 1, and now 15/20 plus 16/20 is 31/20, because remember, when we're adding fractions, the denominator stays the same. But we have a problem here. We can't write 1 31/20 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we need to change 31/20 back into a mixed number. We still have one whole, but now 31/20 is the same as 1 11/20, because 31 divided by 20 is 1 remainder 11. So now 1 plus 1 is 2, the 11/20 stays the same, so our answer is 2 11/20. Now 2 1/2 plus 6/7. So 14 is in both the 2 and the 7 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 1/2 and 6/7, which have a denominator of 14. 2 times 7 is 14, 1 times 7 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 6 times 2 is 12, so we can rewrite our question. Instead of 2 1/2, we have 2 and 7 over 14, and instead of 6/7, we're adding 12 over 14. So our only whole number that we're adding is just this 2, and then 7/14 plus 12/14 is 19/14, because the denominator stays the same, and 7 plus 12 is 19. But we have a problem. Again, we can't write 2 19/14 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So instead of 2 plus 19/14, we can have 2 plus 1 5/14, because 19 divided by 14 is 1 remainder 5. So now 2 plus 1 is 3, the 5/14 stays the same, so our answer is 3 5/14. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.